Hi, this is Neeraj Jaswal and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I am going to show you how to create a project for the NASA News app, which is nothing basically a RSS app, feed app, and which we are going to use RSS feed URL of NASA and use it as a to feed the news in the NASA News app. So let's get started. The first thing which we need to do is create a project, Unity project. We'll name this as NASA News, and I'll just choose a folder for it. I'll just select this folder, name it as NASA News, and create it here, save it. I'll keep it off and select 2D. So this is what I have to select, and that's it. I'll just create the project now. So it should create the project any moment. Yeah, so here it is. I'll just there. So the project has been created. I'll just create the structure here. I'll just name it as scenes, and I'll save this default scene as home. Let me save it. Control Command S. It will be Control S on in Windows. So yeah, we have the scene ready here. Right now, I'm just going to add only one single game object, which is the panel. That's it. I am not going to add right now anything. I'll just decrease the size, bring it here. Great. Now the basic setup is there, but before going ahead, what I need to do is I need to write the RSS reader. So that's a class basically which will read RSS feed from the URL which we are going to work on. So that is all in this episode right now. In the next episode, we are going to work on that feed and the class which we are going to use to read that feed. So that's all in this episode. See you in the next episode. Keep rocking and happy coding.